Hi guys, this is a tutorial for DeanZwikel method. First of all, extract all files into the desktop and start the file aul2gsv.x to log in to your GSV account. Step 2. Drag and drop one of the two files insv with a double zero on it. Drag it on the icon insv to gpx.x. It will create a gpx file on the same folder. Step 3. You have to open the file and export it to MP4. Export it to 360 degrees format. For purposes of this video, I will change the name of the file, but you have to drag and drop both files, the MP4 files together with the GPX file, into the icon vid to GSV. In this case, I will search for another file I have already exported, and there will appear two files, MP4 and GPX. You have to drag it to the icon together. Then it will upload it to Google Street View.